As you've seen, using a React Create element is quite verbose and can get hard to read and write. I said there's a better way of doing this, called JSX. Now it's time to look into what JSX is and how it works. JSX is an extension of the JavaScript syntax that looks very similar to HTML. Writing this code is the same as writing a React Create element, but it's a lot shorter and easier to follow. In JSX we have tags, just like in HTML, and we also have attributes. The tag name is transformed into the first argument to create element, and the attributes become the props. The children of the element are passed as the rest of the arguments, starting with the third one. We can nest the tags as much as we want, creating complex trees. The benefits are clear here. See how concise JSX is compared to the raw API. If you want to refer to a JavaScript variable inside JSX, we can interpolate it by wrapping it in curly braces. We can actually have any JavaScript expression here. We can have JavaScript statements though, because it wouldn't make any sense, since the code inside the curly braces will become part of the arguments to the call to create element. In the next video, we'll start refactoring our code to use JSX. However, browsers don't understand JSX, so we need to transform the JSX we write into plain JavaScript that can be parsed by the browser. There are many tools that can do this, but luckily we don't have to think too much about it because Vite and most other bundlers provide this feature out of the box. All we have to do is change the extension of our scripts from JS to JSX, and Vite will do the rest.